Hello, my dear students. How are you doing? I hope that you are doing great. Today, we are going to take a new lesson in our Discover book. And of course, we are continuing with Chapter 1, Patterns of Change. Today, we are going to discuss page number 10, A Litter of Kittens. Let's get started. A litter of kittens. What's a litter? A litter, it's a group of newborn baby cats or baby kittens. It has in between 2 to 5 kittens in it, as you can see in this photo. Let's read together. Have you ever seen a litter of newborn kittens? A litter usually has between 2 to 5 kittens. All of the kittens in the litter have the same parents, the same mom and dad. The kittens look similar to their parents, but not identical. Not identical, it means not exactly the same. They are not copies of their parents. The kittens also look similar to each other as they are brothers and sisters, but not exactly the same. Also, as you can see over here, we have some kittens which have light fur and others which have dark fur. Why is this? Let's find out. All types of living plants and animals can make more of their kind. What does it mean? Make more of their kind by what? By having new babies. When the plants or the animals have new babies, so they are doubling their numbers, so they are having more of their kind. When new living things are made, they are called offspring. So when any animal gives birth of its baby, this baby, it's called offspring. So the offspring, it means babies. And of course, it's not only the baby animal. It can be baby animal or baby plant, even baby human. Offspring look similar to their parents because parents pass inherited traits to their offspring. They give some traits to their babies. What are the traits? Traits are characteristics that make an organism, it means the living things such as plants, animals, humans, look and behave the way it does. Okay, such as the giraffes. The giraffes have long neck, so this is a trait for the giraffes. Okay, and for example, for the eagles, they have strong claws and beaks. So this is a trait in the eagle. Now, in kittens, for example, in our reading over here, fur color is a trait. Some kittens might inherit or take the same fur color as their mother. Other kittens might inherit or take the same fur color as their father. Okay, so some of the kittens can take the color of their father and some others can take the color of their mother. That's why they look similar but not exact the same. Let's read over here what do we have under this photo. Kittens get the color of their fur from their parents. Kittens in a litter can look similar because they have the same parents. And of course, not only the kittens, but also the human pass for their offspring some inherited trait, such as the eyes color, the skin color, and the hair color. For example, this girl took her eyes color and her hair color from her mother, and this baby girl took her skin color from her both parents. Let's move on. Kittens in a litter all have the same parents. Each kitten receives or takes some traits from its mother and some traits from its father. The parents pass different inherited traits to each kitten. So the parents give to some of its kittens some traits as the fur color, and for other kittens, they give them other traits such as the eyes color. So each kitten receives a different combination of traits or a different mix of traits. This is why the kittens in a litter do not look exactly the same. Kittens do not receive all of their traits from their parents. Okay, so let's have an example to make it much more clear. Let's take a look at this baby alien over here, or offspring. This baby alien took from her father the hair color and the eyes shape and also the ears shape and the skin color. And she took from her mother the nose shape and the mouth shape. And this is a combination or a mix of inherited traits. Let's have another example for these two rabbits. Over here, the mother rabbit has brown eyes and gray fur, and the father over here has blue eyes and white fur. So it got over here the baby rabbit or the offspring got mix of inherited traits from both parents. As we can see in the fur of this baby rabbit, it got white fur from the father and gray spots from the mother, and it got only the eyes color from its father. Passage, okay? Kittens do not receive all of their traits from their parents, okay? The kittens can develop some traits as they grow and live in their surroundings. Let's take an example over here. For example, a kitten's clothes can be removed, or not having clothes becomes one of the kitten's traits. However, this trait is not inherited, okay? The removed clothes is not passed from the parent to the baby. When the kitten grows and has its own offspring, they will still be born with clothes. Let's have an example over here to make it much more clear. Over here, we have this elephant. It lost its leg, so it becomes a trait for this elephant. But when this elephant gives birth to newborn baby elephant or offspring, this baby elephant will still have 4 legs, okay? So it's not inherited trait for the baby offspring. That's all for today. Thank you all for attending and have a nice day. Goodbye all.